Alright, your battery field, shunt field, contact, removal, disassembly, cleaning, inspection, repair, assembly, installation, test, toolkit, SC494097, the CL, E12, multimeter, variable DC voltage supply, dry cleaning, solve all that. Warning: high voltage due to the operation. Equipment do not be misspelled by low turn. Low voltage potentials as low as 50 volts may cause death. The move of the ring bracelets. Wristwatch the next chain before working around the local truly can catch the equipment to cause the injury may short across the electrical surface to cause severe burns. Don't the battery field and shunt field relays. Remove, disassemble, and assemble and install identically. Check with the electrical wires and label the wire numbers with the polarity signs. Set the battery switch in the open position, disconnect the wires, relay assembly, remove the two mounting screws and the lock washers and the relay assembly. Move the chute and Allen head screws with the lock washer for the cup washer 7, the compression spring 8. Move 4 Allen head screws 9, lock washers 10, plate assembly 11. Move the coil 12 with the insulator gasket 13, copper tension washer 14. For remove the 4 lock washers 15, lock washers 16, flat washer 17, nuts 18, lock washers 19, flat washers 20, contact bars 21, contact housing 30, 31. Move the 4 screws 22 with the lock washers, flat washers, and contact plates 25 and 26. Move the 4 bolts 27 with the lock washers 28, 2 plates 29, and contact housing 30, 31. Remove the carrier 32 with the twisting counterclockwise. Remove the 2 springs with the contact of the contacts 34. Loosen set screws 35. Remove the contact set 36 and the plunger 70 to 37. Remove plunger 37 the mounting bracket 38. Alright, cleaning, inspection, and repair. Warning: dry cleans over the PD 6 to 8 with a toxic flammable. Wear protective goggles and gloves that use only with a well-ventilated area. Avoid contact with the skin and eyes. Gloves that do not breathe vapor. Even near open flame with the flash point between 100 and 130 degrees Fahrenheit. If you become dizzy, get fresh air with medical aid. Immediately contact with the eyes made with wash your eyes and get medical aid immediately. Compressed air used for cleaning purposes will not exceed the 30 psi. Do not use the direct compressed air against skin and use the goggle full face shield. No, do not file attempt to clean contacts 34 and 36. Silver alloy surfaces on contacts may become black and pitted or corroded. Always replace contacts dry clean. Some of them with the clean metal parts with the dry clean compressed air. Inspect molded parts with the warpage breaks with the cracks. Replace with the damaged parts. Inspect contacts for 34 and 36. If alloy material is worn through the base metal, with replace with the contacts. Inspect coil 12 with the damaged insulation. Replace the damaged coil. Use multimeter measure for the resistance coil with the 12 and the resistance not between 445 to 545 ohms. Replace with the coil. Inspect chute for the cracks and breaks. Replace with the damaged chute. Alright, assembly. Install with the plunger 37 with the mounting bracket 38 with an install with the contact setting set. Contact set 36 with the tighten the cap screw set screws 35 with the 2 contacts 34 and spring 33 with the carrier 32. Install the assembled carrier with the contact 32 with the contact 34 springs 33 with the plunger 37 with the turn counterclockwise. Install the contact housing 30 31 with the 2 plate with the 29 with the floor lock washers 28 and bolts 27. Install the 4 contact bars 21 flat washer 20 with the lock washers 19 and that's 18 flat washers 17 lock washers 16 lock nuts 15 on contact housing 30 and 31. Note: when mounting bracket 37, the holes facing the left of the contact plate 25 of the DCBA will be installed on the side. Install the contact plate 26, 25 on the 4 flat washer, 24 flat lock washers 23, and the set screws 22. Install copper tension washers 14. Install the gasket 13 coil with a 12 with the plate assembly. 11 4 lock washers 10 with the 10 Allen head screws 9 with the install of the compression spring. 8 and cop washer 7, lock washer 6, and the Allen head screws 5 with the install of the chute. Installation: install the relay assembly 3 with the screw of the 2 lock washers 2 and the screws 1. Caution: check the electrical connection terminals are correct. With the incorrect electrical connection terminals will be the result of the damage for the contact 34 and 36. The air suppression features will be nullified. Contact electrical wires. Test: connect the variable DC voltage supply to the coil. Use the multimeter measure for the voltage. Check the pickup of the voltage 4 volt DC maximum. Dropout voltage 528 voltage DC. Energized, de-energized relay. Check with the air. There is no hesitation during pickup of the dropout. Check with the battery switch of the open position. Manually operate with the interlock contacts. Use the multimeter. Check with the resistant contacts infinity while open and continuity it will while closed. So that was actually your battery field shunt and battery field and shunt field contactor.